right, welcome back to the 52 Crestline Sunliner project. Tonight I need to get this trunk pan cut out so I can get the body set into place where it needs to be. I think I have a rough idea of where I'm going to cut it. I'm going to take these grinders here and I'm going to clean up where I'm going to want to weld back in, just because it's a lot easier to clean up when I can clean up both sides and then make the cut instead of cutting and then cleaning. And then obviously fix some of these little rust holes here. Yeah, so also this needs to come out. This is the main roadblock right now. You can take a look under here. Yeah, so here's what's in the way. This new coilover bar here. So I'm gonna cut out the tire compartment, spare tire compartment, and then get rid of this lip. So I'm gonna make this, I think I measured right, somewhere about right in here. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so I've got one of these flapper wheels. Let's see if we can go ahead and make this go. Look at that. Movie magic. Got it all cut out, set into place. My math skills have got me again, and these tires, they don't fit in there. I'm not sure if I need to, well, what I'm gonna do right now is adjust the coils so they're at the highest rad height. See if that'll let me put the wheels on. I do need to come about another, you probably can't see because of the light. I have like a half inch that I need to come up. So, I'm touching right here. So I think I'm going to have to cut that out. Before I move it forward, I'm going to adjust these coils. And my nice new trunk hole. There. Look at that, there we go, perfect. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy to adjust. Just got those two bolts. Either side there. Then I'm gonna drop her down, I think, all the way. Let's see how that works. Here, let you guys watch me struggle to get the other side here. Kind of an awkward position, but what do you do? Oh, that one's tight. What the heck? All right, so now let's drop her down. further. I think I'm gonna have to adjust my bar here to get her back centered. I'll do that later. Oh, almost. That's as low as she goes. So second to last. Don't have quite enough flex on the old 4-link to go all the way. Oh man, this is awkward angle. Nice. I'm not gonna go too crazy with getting these tight because I need to get this back out hopefully tonight and get it to Moore's gears. So he can get the posi set up in here. Okay. And just in case anybody's wondering, I do have my safety life stands there, just so I don't get squished, because that wouldn't be fun. Come on, get in there. This is got it. Whew. You just go down like a smidge more, but I don't have a smidge more. Maybe I'm thinking about this all wrong. Maybe I should set these coils free, then put the wheels on, and then set it to the right height. I think that makes way more sense. Let's do that. Okay, so let's take this back out. Okay. One more. I'll put this right there so you can see how easy it is to change the ride height while laying on a jack stand. Oh, and someday, I'm gonna keep saying this till I get one, but someday I'm gonna get a lift. All right, so I'm obviously out from under the car. Pick these up on the Facebook market for pretty cheap. Pretty much just to burn them off and see if they fit. Still need to go higher. All right, try something else. We'll shoot. All right, so apparently Gordy's impact gun has a lot more power than mine, because I can't get these freaking wheel spacers off. I'm gonna try something here. See, got a breaker bar. Got a light. Got old knees. A dead grasshopper, it looks like. All right, so I am going to shove this in there like so. Yeah, just like that. Magic. Not gonna go too crazy. Last thing I want to do is mess up the threads on these spacers that are not mine. All right. Let's get a wheel over here. See if I can get her to fit. Working in kind of a tight space. Got Grandpa's truck about 3 inches from my head. Oh, let me get a wheel. The reason I really liked these center lines, for one, they were really cheap. For two, they got the Ford/Chevy bolt pattern that I need. Need a little bit more lift. All right. There we go. Smooth as butter. Oh, that's not right. Oh, there we go. Okay. This one has no power. I don't know if it's time for a new one. This thing's probably 10 years old. Time for a new one or not. Never know. All right, so right now, I don't look like I have much room. No room. No room at all. I got a fender roller for my birthday, thanks to my lovely wife. Definitely gonna have to use it. So, let's see. Right now, have these just set on the ground. Man, this thing is gonna be a little more of a hot rod stance than I thought. All right, well, that was fun. I got the trunk cut out. That was my main goal for tonight. And it seems like every time I do one thing I'm planning on doing, two more things pop up that I need to do. So that's fun. That's off center just a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that later. But yeah, so as you can see, those are just about level to where my trunk was gonna sit. So gonna bring it up and make it sit right there. So I'm gonna clean that up once I can find a piece of sheet metal big enough to fill this hole. Yeah, so that'll be fun. And once I do that, I'm gonna fire up this bad boy. I've always wanted one. I've always wanted to learn how to use one. So here it is. Nice little bead roller. I need to figure out if I should get new motor mounts. And because I need to move, I need like an inch. I need 1 inch forward. And I have like a 1/4 inch forward option with these mounts. So that's a bummer. And it's pretty tight in there. And it's kind of dark, so I don't think you can see. But I'm like a 1/2 inch off from my hole. So it's close. It's so close. I might try to move these forward to this next hole and see if that gives me enough before I buy new motor mounts. But I'm out of time, so I'm gonna have to call it quits for this weekend. Scooting right along. It's starting to get warm out, so I need to get this thing going.